As someone who travels for work with some frequency, I have been traveling with a portable monitor for quite some time now so that I'm able to work comfortably on the go. UPERFECT reached out to us asking if we were interested in learning more about their product, UStation Delta. It's a portable folding workstation that includes two dual-stacked 15.6-inch monitors and can be connected to multiple devices at a time. How well did it live up to expectations? Let's take a closer look. Thank you so much to UPERFECT for sending us a review unit of the Delta. All thoughts and opinions are our own. They did not get to preview this video prior to us publishing it. Let's take a closer look. The concept of a stacked dual monitor was really intriguing to me, especially when you consider the possibilities. Whether you are a seasoned business traveler that uses Excel, a student who needs to do a ton of research, or a designer or video editor who simply needs more screen space, there's so many instances in which having a workstation like this can be beneficial. At a weight of about 3.77 pounds and built from aluminum alloy, the Delta folds to appear like a very slim laptop at 22 millimeters thick. The bottom features rubber feet and a kickstand. One side of the monitor houses two mini HDMI ports, one USB-C port for display, and another for power. The opposite side includes two menu setting buttons and power buttons that power and control each display respectively. When it comes to settings, users can change functions like color temperature, brightness, sound, and language. The monitor is 360 degrees foldable and can be folded and used for both sides simultaneously. This means that it can be connected to two devices at the same time and used by two different people on opposite sides of each other. It can even be placed vertically for those looking to utilize less table space. While the kickstand does feel a little plasticky, the rest of the unit feels sturdy and well built. So I appreciate that UPERFECT included a variety of cables with this monitor. These vary in connectivity, including both USB-C and mini HDMI. Note that if you don't keep the Delta plugged into its own power source, it does draw quite a bit of power from the device connected to it. From a full charge on both my Windows laptop and MacBook Air, I was only able to use the Delta for less than an hour on both devices before needing to plug in my laptops. Another minor hiccup that I experienced that I did not learn about until perusing the UPERFECT site was that if you want to utilize both monitors, you have to install a driver that is only listed on the product detail page of the Delta product. This link sits about a third of the way down on the site, and it does look a little sketchy, but it will give you instant connectivity to both monitors. Depending on how you plan on using the monitor, connecting can be as simple as using just one cable. If you choose to connect multiple devices to each monitor, you'll need to connect to both monitors separately. You can even connect the Delta to devices like your mobile phone or Nintendo Switch. I can see this being great for students on the go looking to play games with friends conveniently in a portable setting. Both monitors on the Delta feature a 15.6-inch IPS display with full 1080p resolution and a 16:9 aspect ratio. There's a 60 Hz refresh rate and 10 to 15 millisecond response time. There's also built-in speakers, but I preferred using the speakers on my connected device when I was using a laptop. For portable use or on-the-go collaboration, I think the specs for this is actually exactly what I wanted. While UPERFECT touts 100% sRGB, I'm a little hesitant to say that the color was fantastic. For a portable option, this is great, but I would not use it in lieu of a more permanent solution. While the colors were realistic to me, I am hoping that future iterations give just a little bit more sharpness and vividness to the depth and background of the display. Nevertheless, as someone who uses this monitor mostly for work, it exceeded all expectations for things like Zoom calls, website updates, note-taking, and spreadsheets. Portable monitors are not new to the tech space, but this was the first time that I felt a brand took the concept and then went above and beyond. I genuinely don't think I can go back to having just one portable monitor when traveling anymore. And while two may seem excessive, there's actually so many different ways to use the Delta and customize it to your needs. At its price point, it's not the cheapest option, but it also shouldn't be because you have two stacked displays that you can use however you want. The 360-degree hinge would make it ideal for creative work that can be folded for colleagues or students or a friend to use. Whether you're a gamer, student, videographer, or office worker, the options truly are endless. Thank you so much again to UPERFECT for sending us a review unit of the Delta. Let me know what you think of this stacked portable workstation. Is this something you guys would use? Let me know in the comments. I'm Lida from the Sypnotix, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!